In this tutorial, we will learn about modulo in Python. Modulo is denoted by the percentage sign, %. It is a mathematical operator that gives us the remainder of a division operation. Here, we have two variables num1 and num2. We use the modulo operator to find the remainder when num1 is divided by num2. The result is stored in the variable result. As you can see, the output tells us that when 10 is divided by 3, the remainder is 1. Modulo is often used in programming to check if a number is even or odd. Let's look at another example. Here, we ask the user to enter a number. We then use the modulo operator to check if the number is even or odd. If the remainder when the number is divided by 2 is 0, then the number is even. Otherwise, it is odd. In this example, we entered the number 7 and the output tells us that 7 is odd, which is correct. That's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to use modulo in Python. Keep practicing and have fun coding.